How to delete VK account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your VK account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your VK account permanently, go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the VK application over here and just make sure you're signed into your account. Now come to the profile icon over here, then tap the three dots option. Then go to this option that says edit profile from the very top. Once you go to edit profile, scroll down to the security tab and then tap on it. Then under the security tab, you will be able to see different sort of various options. Now ignore all of these options and scroll down to the very bottom. You'll see an option that says delete VKID account. So just tap on the delete VKID account option here. Then once you've done that, it will ask you for a confirmation. Tap on the delete account button and then you'll be able to delete your VK account permanently. That's all it takes to delete your VK account permanently. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.